up, guys? We're coming live right now. I was driving home coming from the auto parts, and just got this weird noise coming from the driver's side rear tire, like the brake. I'm guessing something got stuck, so I'm like a block away from the house, and it started doing it. So I'm just gonna get it home, lift it up, and we're gonna find out what it is. Alright, so I'm going to lift the car from the rear, spin the tire, and see if I can find the where it's rubbing. It seems like it's rubbing metal to metal, so I'm gonna jack it up right now, and we'll find out. Alright, well, we got the car jacked all the way. Spin the tire. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but like a marble inside there loose. So we'll find out right now. Holy shit. Gotta install these tires a couple weeks ago. Torqued the shit out of these lug nuts.
It's a half-past tipsy. I'm working on a stumble while everybody's on the way home. The night's still young. I'm looking for some fun, so I whip out my phone. I compose a little message to the girls.
Alright, so after a little bit of wrestling with it, finally got it out. I found this washer sitting on the drum. Then I found this, which is the parking brake loose. So I'm trying to see, oh, here it is. So this pin came off, which goes right there. And it's not letting the parking brake do its thing. So that's why it was wiggling in there. And this thing was probably grinding on the brake, the drum itself, the little washer. So I'm gonna put it back together, inspect it, make sure it's all good, put the brake back in, the drum, adjust the pressure here because I loosened it up so I can get the drum out, adjust it here once we get everything back together, and it should be good. Alright guys, so there you have it. So this thing was the thing that came off originally. My brakes were still working because this thing's it's what holds the emergency brake. So the emergency brake wasn't working, or the parking brake, but my brakes were still working because they're still attached with the springs and everything. And the noise is coming from the washer that goes behind here. It fell off, and this thing fell off too, and it was grinding on my disc. The disc still pretty good, didn't do no damage. Lucky enough I caught it. Well, it was making a lot of noise, so I had to fix it. So I pretty much took these off, relieved some pressure from here, took these off, took that off, and this pin only goes one way, only goes that way. Coming this way, it doesn't go through the hole on the parking brake pad. So now that's all installed. Let's put the wheel back on and spin it. Put some tension on this side, adjust it here, we should be good. Alright, so I got the tire on. Everything's already torqued, kind of. Now it takes a lot more torque for that one, but torque wrench out of for calibration right now. I'm gonna go for a ride and hopefully the brakes still work, because I know they're very touchy with the adjustment. So let's give it a try. All right, guys, well, that was it for today. Just a little quick troubleshooting video. It just happened. I was coming from AutoZone, grabbing some sandpaper so I can sand some other stuff that I'm working on, and I started hearing that clicking noise. I slowed down and paid attention to which side it was coming from. Lucky enough, it was an easy fix. I heard it from the left side on the back. I had an idea what it was. I was hoping it wasn't the transaxle, you know, or something major. But lucky enough, it was just a part that came off and I had to resecure it. It took a little bit of time because I didn't have the right tools. I learned a lot. I learned to, you know, break the wheel nuts with the wheel on the ground, break that main wheel nut with the wheel on the ground, because that one has a lot of torque when it's torqued right. So yeah, we learned a lot of things today. Looked up into my brakes. They look good. I adjusted them, put the wheel back on, and things to take from here. Always keep a set of tools, because lucky enough for me, this happened like right around the corner from my house. So I was able to pull into the house, and I always carry my tools regardless, but the big socket, I didn't have it with me. So that's another part, another tool that I can travel with now in case, you know, something like this happens on the road. Be able to pick it up and get going right away. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys liked the video. Comment below what, you know, any tips that you guys might have, and see you guys next time.
It's a half-past tipsy. I'm working on a stumble while everybody's on the way home.